Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I will show you how you can add floating social icons into your WordPress page. I have added this using Elementor. So to add it, first you have to enable your Elementor editor. For this, click on Edit with Elementor. Now here you have to add social icons widget. Search for it, drag this widget and place it where you want. By default you can see these are 3 default social icons. You can add fourth one. I will select Himmler and click on insert. Now you can see I have these 4 social media icons. Now I will go to advanced and search for positioning. Here you can see I have these positioning settings. For the width I will select custom. Now here in custom width I will add 50 pixels. Now in position I will select fixed. Now here vertical orientation I will make it to right. Offset remains to 0. Vertical orientation offset by default it's in pixel, but I will select percentage and make it 40%. Now I will change the background color of these icons. So I will select background and here I will select a background color. I will select this color, put a hash sign with it, and this will not appear because these icons has their official background color. So to remove it, I will go back to style. Here from official color I will select custom color. Primary color I will click on it and drag the second line to the 0. I will make it transparent. Now you can see the official color has been disappeared and all the icon become white. Now for the secondary color I will leave it. Now here is the size. I will make it 20. For the padding I will make it 0.5 and the row gap I will add 8. Now I will add some space above and bottom of this floating icon section. So I will go to advanced, unlink this padding section and I will add 10 pixels to the top and bottom. Now I will add some border radius. So I will go to border. Here first of all I will unlink this and add 25 pixels on top and 25 pixels on left. Now you can see the radius and the cornered border. Now I will add some hover effect onto icons. So for this I will go back to style. Here in icon hover I will select hover animation to grow. Now when you hover over it, it will grow a little bit. Now don't forget to update the page. After updating I will preview the changes. So click on this I button. It will take you to live page. Now here you can see you have successfully added the floating icons. Now you can put links in it. You can go to content and here you can add your custom link. You can add your profile link. Here is your YouTube channel link. But here you can see it was appear like that. You can use any of icon there and change color as per your requirements. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video, also share it. If you want more videos like that, please subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.